We are live here. My name is Rick Elmendorf, and as you can see, I'm with Caliber Home Loans. And I have behind me two very special individuals. Longtime friends and realtors of mine, Ed and Louann Hook, with Hook My Home Realty Group. And we're just going to kind of go off the cuff today and talk about a lot of different things, kind of our stories of how we got into this crazy business, and a little bit about what we can do to maybe help some people that are trying to navigate the real estate landscape right now. It's not easy. So again, with that, welcome, Ed and Louann.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us over here.
All right, cool. What makes you guys different? What really is the secret sauce to what you guys do?
I think our passion that we bring to the table for all of our clients, we're both extreme people persons, and the client care that we give, I think that it goes above and beyond, because it's just inside of us to care enough to make sure that every single transaction gets handled like it's our family, like it's how we'd want to be treated. It's kind of like the golden rule.
I know some of the different things that you guys do, and I was hoping you may share, it may even help other real estate agents around. I mean, it's more than just to stick a sign in the ground. It's more than just, what exactly are you guys doing to help sell homes versus just sticking a sign in the ground? I mean, what are you doing for your people?
Getting the word out for sure.
Exposure. And
Social media, videos, talking about it. I mean, we constantly talk to people every day about real estate, and they're always asking us, how's the market? And we're always telling them, depends on what side of the business you're on,
yeah.
Whether you're selling or buying. Right now, it's a seller's market. It could change, but we constantly do research in our market to see where, what listings are selling for what price, and be able to give that advice to prospective clients that want to sell their houses.
So tell me about this absolute nuts market we're in right now. Do we have? It seems like there's no supply.
Right.
It seems like rates are on the rise.
Right.
What's a buyer to do right now?
have a really good agent, number one.
Right, exactly.
Don't go for an a la carte system. A lot of them out there right now.
Right.
You need an agent that's very savvy to get you through this kind of like, what would you call it, the hurdles of the sale. You jump one hurdle and, oh, we're safe, and run some more, and then the next hurdle comes
Right.
up. You need someone who definitely can get you through to the very final close. You have to have someone who's really savvy, because in this marketplace, in order to get the house that you want, you're going to have to do escalation addendums. You're going to have to know if the house will appraise, or you're just going to have a lot of...
Hold on a second. You mean I can't just go on my cell phone and negotiate a deal?
No.
No, not quite.
No.
I joke at this because, this is really where the industry thinks it's heading, right? That somebody's going to just jump on their cell phone, find a house, hit a button, and go, I'll take that. But in the reality of things, that's not at all what's going on.
I think one of the big things is the ability to have a tact with the other agent, a relationship, because that's going to help your client get the house. You have to, because they have to understand that you're a professional and you're going to make this deal work.
On the selling side, we see economically, where do you see this thing turning the corner? Years ago, when I remember my dad, it was back in the 80s, and I was in high school, and I remember a realtor coming in. She knocked on the door and she said, would you guys be interested in selling your house? Literally like door knocking. Are we almost there again?
Possibly.
Yes.
Yep. With buyers,
Yes.
for sure.
And we have to think outside the box.
Yeah.
There's door knocking is being done out there.
Yeah,
By-
and we're matching people. Like,
Right.
if we know someone needs a house, we'll walk that street, and we will literally door knock too.
Right.
You say go the extra mile. Yes, we do.
And Ed will take his golf clubs and see if anybody wants to play golf that afternoon to induce them to sell their house.
Yes.
So anyway, thank you again for joining us. And this is Rick Elmendorf and Ed and Louann Hook signing off for now.
See you later.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.